For this tutorial, we're going to learn how to integrate with other type of documents. Task 28, open the file summary text documents. We go to the tutorials, look for the summary text document, bring it up, see that there's a table. So we're going to insert this table after the paragraph, which ends showing the numbers of sites and the total number of hectares. Highlight it, the sentence, right click, copy, go to the tutorial document, right? Click on the home, right? On the right hand side, the right hand corner, we look for the find, right? Click on the find to activate the find feature function. Okay, or we can just Control F. Okay, right click, paste it, press enter, press enter. Okay, now the result being highlighted. What we're going to do is that we're going to put a table after these sentences, this sentence. So we press enter, close the find feature, go to the summary text document, right? Select it, right click, copy, and we go back to the tutorial document, right? Put the cursor after the sentence, total number of hectares, right? Right click and paste it. Okay, now go back. Make sure that there's one blank line and above and below the table. Now copy the details, right, from the files summary text Excel. Okay, let's open up the Excel first. Go to the tutorial folders, open up the summary text 2. You can see that there's contents of the summary of potential area, count of the site. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to copy and paste the contents of the Excels here, right, and into the table. Okay, let's open up the documents, the Word documents. As we can see that we compared it, right? We can see that now some of the potential areas, count of the site. So we're going to fill up the table, the empty tables cells here. Right? What we're going to do is that, okay, now we're going to select in the Excel data, right? We go to Excel, selecting from the A2, drag it, and to the B7. Okay, when you are selected, right click, copy, and we go back to the tutorial documents. We're going to put the cursor here, right? Highlight it. We're going to put the cursor here at the cell of the sum of potential area, the empty cell here, and we're going to right click. We're going to see what happened, right? The paste option allows you to preview the result. So we're going to move it. No, this is not what I want. Yep, this is what I want, and we see that, oh no, this is not what I want, right? So we're going to select the third option, which override cells, right? Click it. There you see that. Okay, now, but what happens is that the border is already disappeared. So what I need to do is that select the table, right? Until the on top of the table tools, right? It's been highlighted, right? Select it, the table. Okay, now we go to the border here, right? You can see that the border, right, on the right corner here, select it, we select all border. Okay, now what happens is that you can see that the fonts, right, the body text of the fonts, right, the table text of the fonts, right, font style is different from the body text. Right. So what we're going to do is that we need to change it so that it look more standardized. We need to standardize it. So, and we highlight the whole table. We go to the font style. We select Times New Roman. What is the font size here? 10. Okay, now select it. We change it to 10. Okay. Now, all right, that's look good and more presentable. But the question here now, make sure that the text in the table is formatted to match the body text, right? Which we already done it. Task 29. Now, import the bar chart from the charting Excel files. Okay, let's go to the tutorial folders. Look for the charting Excel files, the spreadsheet. Double click it. Okay, we see there's a bar chart. We're going to insert this bar chart at the end of the paragraph, which end in sales. That is right. The paragraph is end of the paragraph in sales that is likely to cost. Okay, go back to the spreadsheet. Select the bar chart. Right click. Copy. Go to the tutorials. Right, go to the tutorial document here. And this is the sentences, right? The sentence we're going to insert after the sentence, right? Slightly to cost. So we put the cursor here. Right click it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paste option. What we're going to do is that we're going to select number 1, use designated themes and embedded, right, work files, like workbooks. Okay, now, right, we're going to double click it. As you can see that once we double click, right, we are able to activate the Excel. Now we are in the Excel environment now, the spreadsheet environment. Of course, now what we can do is that we can change the types here, right? Which I find that is too big, so I'm going to reduce now, right? And change it to red colors, and I'm going to drag it to make it more presentable, right?